You see them every day, scattered across streets and sidewalks. But have you ever stopped to wonder why manhole covers are almost always perfectly round? It seems like a simple design choice, but the round shape isn't by accident. There's clever engineering and physics behind this ubiquitous urban fixture. The most critical reason goes back to basic geometry and the force of gravity. A round cover simply cannot fall into its own opening. Unlike a square or rectangle, a circle has no corners. No matter how you rotate it, its diameter remains constant, ensuring it always fits. Imagine trying to lift a square manhole cover. If tilted slightly, a corner can dip below the edge, and it will drop straight down. This prevents catastrophic accidents for pedestrians, cyclists, and vehicles. A dropped cover could cause serious injury or damage, making round the safest choice. Round shapes are also easier and more cost-effective to manufacture. Casting a circular mold requires less complex tooling and fewer specialized steps. Laborers can easily move round covers by rolling them. This reduces strain and the need for heavy lifting equipment, saving time and physical effort. A round cover fits snugly into a round frame. This ensures a tight seal against debris, water, and pests entering the underground infrastructure. The circular shape distributes stress evenly. This makes it stronger and more resistant to the weight of vehicles driving over it repeatedly. Crucially, a circle's width is the same everywhere. This means it will never become narrower than its opening, preventing it from slipping through. A square, however, has a varying distance from its center to its edge. This variation is what allows it to be maneuvered into the opening. This consistent width is the primary defense. It guarantees that the cover will always rest safely on top of its frame, regardless of orientation. Rectangular covers also pose a significant danger. They can easily slip through diagonally, much like their square counterparts, creating an immediate hazard. The lack of edges on a round cover also means it's less likely to snag on uneven surfaces, making removal and replacement smoother. While the exact inventor is lost to history, the concept has been utilized for centuries, proving its enduring practicality and effectiveness. The frame itself is designed as a lip or ledge. This physical obstruction is what holds the round cover securely in place. Once a standard was established, it became economically sensible to stick with it. Producing custom shapes would drive up costs significantly. The tight fit also prevents rain, dirt, and small animals from entering underground systems like sewers or utility tunnels, keeping them clean. Aligning a round cover on its frame requires minimal effort. It practically self-centers, unlike square or rectangular covers that need precise placement. While heavy, their shape allows for efficient rolling, making them manageable for single workers. Other shapes might require crushing machines to move. The round shape might also contribute to better acoustic dampening, reducing the clatter and noise as vehicles pass over them. The continuous curve disperses pressure from traffic more uniformly than corners would, preventing stress concentrations that could lead to cracks. Cities adopted round covers centuries ago, and as infrastructure expanded, this proven design became the de facto standard across the globe. It's not just physics, it's about human interaction. The round shape is simply the most practical and safe for the people who install and maintain them. Technically, it's a cover, not a lid, because a lid is designed to seal the top of a container, while this rests on its frame. While often associated with sewers, manholes provide access to electrical cables, telecommunications, and various other underground utility networks. The simple round manhole cover is a testament to elegant, foolproof engineering that prioritizes safety, practicality, and durability above all else. So, the reason is threefold. Safety because it can't fall in, manufacturing ease and cost-effectiveness, and practical handling by workers. These seemingly mundane objects are brilliant solutions, proving that the best designs are often those that solve fundamental problems with simple, robust forms. Next time you walk down the street, take a moment to appreciate this bit of everyday engineering. What other simple designs have profoundly impacted our lives?